Okay, Sammy, what are you doing? You hard at work? You in your new toy? Your new... What's this called?
An activity center?
Activity center. Yeah, that's what it's called. This little beaver, huh? What you looking for? Being an Eeyore. Good girl. Being a little ball. Good girl. Where busy? Spinning Tigger? What's this do? Show me that one. Push down the honey pot. Very good. Very good. Oh, you're so smart. You're so smart. How about this over here? What's this? What's this? Piglet? Spin Piglet. There you go. Good girl. So smart. She's so smart. Yes, you are. You're very smart. Good girl. She's busy at work. She's busy at work.
Yay! Yay! Mommy says yay! Mommy says yay! Yay!
There goes Bones. Every video has to have a dog in it.
Bones.
That's contractual.
Yeah.
That's Mary Ann's contract. Every video must have a dog in it. Good boy, Bones. Good boy, honey. Okay. Are you done showing off? There goes that dog again. There goes that dog again. Alright. Say goodbye. Bye-bye. Wave. Waving. Oh, dog kisses. Alright, Bones. Alright, say goodbye. Funny.